introduce you to Puppy. Puppy, say hello to the vlog. Hello. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, he learned this yesterday.
This is our new friend. When we got here, there was no dogs around, which is strange. And then like 3 days later, there was all this commotion in the evening. And then we heard a puppy crying.
And he had gotten attacked.
By another dog.
And he had little cuts all around his head and his neck.
We saw these two dogs that were with him. Two bigger white dogs that kind of don't look much like him. So we were like kind of concerned. We figured out that one is mom and the other one is mom of mom. And so they were looking after him, and then we brought him in to where we're staying, and luckily like the owner's on board with it and stuff. And so now we're just looking after him, and we're just like kind of a little worried because apparently like people steal dogs here.
They steal the puppies so they can like make them work on the farms.
So we just want to keep him safe and make sure he's fed and stuff, because he's like a month old now, so he's about getting to that age where he needs to start eating food. So we'll just make sure that he's like looked after and stuff while we're here. But unfortunately we won't be able to adopt him, but the owners said that they'll probably keep him around
as a security dog.
As a security dog.
So he has a big future as a security.
And he's doing a pretty good job because all he does is bite us. Surf check?
Surf check?
Surf check.
Shall we bring them and Puppy?
Maybe leave Puppy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. How does it look?
It's pretty fun. Kind of the best I've seen the left. I think it's like a good tide right now.
Oh, it looks great.
Yeah.
Can I surf here?
Sure.
Mom! Oh, is it mom's friend? Oh no, it's not friends. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. These not friends.
Mom looks scared. Do you think baby's gonna get this big?
Maybe. That could be dad. Oh, it's a dog party.
Oh yes, that looks so fun. Where should I sit? Like out there, like back there or on this corner?
I think kind of like there.
There?
See where that wave is now?
Okay, so not on this quite corner, but not all the way out there either.
I wouldn't sit all the way out there, but I would sit like on this second peak that's breaking now. Yeah, I would sit there, this middle peak. So
I'm so excited.
Good.
Yeah, I'm all in. Brody on the line, I'm tapping in. Got out here pulling the strings for me. A girl on the line, she feeling me. Preoccupied by the motivation. Put in the time, pay the entry fee. Bro on the rise, yeah, he kinda nice. Inside of my mind, no one's real as me. Lately, life has been gorgeous. Wake up to clear, my eyes hit recorded. Praise up to God, I ain't chasing no swinging the miss, got me hitting these lips. I get the orders, don't get it distorted. Disconnected, I've been cordless, I've been cordial, I've been exploring. I got a whole lot, but somehow I want more of it. Yeah, I went to tour and put on for the soil. Hey, bruh, remember they used to ignore us? Now they dropped me the pin with the cord and they catch me running through the ordinance. Remember we couldn't afford a whip. Pushing and scraping that was so ageless. We blowing on grapes for the flavors. All of a sudden we major, still independent but no label. For now I'm going hard enough that the streams will lead to a house by the beach. All of this done with the speech. Filling my pockets for now, for later. I want the picket for some sign of the neighbors. I used to skip out on the playlist. Nowadays I tax for the labor. Dog on the line, yeah, tapping in. I'm staying clear, fake rapper friends. Kamikaze on the traffic cam. Only one shot to navigate.
So Kim just had a surf, and now we're back at the house, and we're just gonna have some food quickly, and then it's my turn to surf and Kim's turn to record. I guess she didn't have the greatest surf, but she got some waves. Tricky lineup to figure out. It's pretty much, how do you feel about that, Kim?
Yeah, it was a bit of a bummer when I first got out there. I couldn't really figure out where to sit, and like when you go down the peak, it looked like it would be really good, and so I kept sitting way too deep. Or I would sit too wide and then like not catch the waves. And then finally I did start catching some waves, but I still didn't really like do any good turns. It was a little bit bigger than the other day. So I thought the waves were breaking like faster than they actually were. I would like look down the line and start to take off, and then I'd be like, oh no, I'm not gonna make it. But really they were actually like holding up and would have been really fun. Oh, I feel like I could have surfed so much better. Like some of those waves were so good. If I had surfed like I did the other day, I could have done some like really good carves and like held them out for a really long time. All right, well now we're gonna take Jordy surfing and you guys will see some actually good surfing.
Well, let's hope, because yesterday I had a really bad day, so.
We keep having kind of like on and off days here, you know, like when we're in group hook. I don't know, now I'm just rambling.
Well, I think it's like when you're figuring out new spots, you know, and you're not sure like how the reef is gonna be, and like you're just kind of getting used to a new spot. It takes a while, so like you're not gonna be great at it on the first day. I mean, unless you're great, and surfing, then you'll be pretty good. But most people take a little bit of time to warm up to a new spot because it's different. Every surf spot is different.
Yeah. Cool. All right, well, we're gonna figure out where we're going.
Bye. See you where we're going.
Okay, change of plans. The tide's really high, so we're not gonna surf yet. So I am going to give Puppy his first bath because he has a lot of fleas.
Are you ready for your first bath?
He stopped shaking.
It's one tired pup.
It was a traumatizing experience. He is over the trauma of his bath. Very happy again. Dried in the sun. Very warm. And stoked.
Oh my god, it's so hot. So this is what they don't show in Indonesia. It's how hot it is.
Final cut isn't working for the second day in a row.
Oh my god. If you guys have any, or if you have any issues with Final Cut and not working, Kim just did an update on hers. It's still not working. So
So that doesn't fix it.
doesn't fix it. So if you know
So
why,
we have no advice for you at all.
no advice for you, but we're asking for advice. So if you know why, can you please just drop a comment?
That's a video.
I know. We washed Puppy a moment ago, and now it's time for Mom, but she's not having any of it. So this is going to be interesting.
She's freaking out, but what we're doing is good for her ultimately. Yeah, like let's finish this bath properly now that we
So now we're gonna follow Mom to see if she rolls in the dirt. 'Cause that's what dogs usually do once you give them a bath. Found her. No, she's just kind of hanging out. Hey, Mom. In a bit of a pickle here. Struggling to figure out where to surf. Now, that's the problem when you go to a place where there's so many good waves in the same place, is that you have all these options and they're all working at the same time, but you don't know which is best because like you want to go to one place because it's good for filming and you want to go to another place because the surf might be fine and you haven't really had it good yet. And you want to go to another place, but the tide's just a little bit high, but if you wait half an hour, it's going to be really good.
And the other problem is too that like we have to drive to the places and the roads are really bad. So like if we go to cobblestone right now, then it'll be like really hard for us to then go and like check periscopes basically. So like we really do have to like decide. Do we paddle out? Do you just paddle out like here at Nunga's, or do we drive to cobblestone and periscope, because we can't really drive to all of them in one day?
I guess we'll just have to wait and see what we choose. Yeah, that was like where, I mean, like the surf, it isn't amazing, but to be the only person out and then also to have like, I mean, just left reeling the whole time, it's incredible.
It's so good.
Yeah, that was great. But I mean, we'll see if the footage came out.
Hello. All right, so while we're walking back, oh my God. While we're walking back, I really wanted to show you guys this. I've been talking about it for days now. I want to show them the starfish. They're so cool. For me, it's like the best thing in the world. Yeah, they're actually brittle stars. So let's see, let's find one.
Whoa, what is this? Oh my God, look at this thing.
Oh,
what was that?
that was gnarly.
That was crazy. Did you get it?
I don't know, I think so.
Oh my God.
All right, let's find a brittle star for them.
Oh, he has another one of these things.
Oh, where?
It's like a centipede.
Do you guys know what this is? Oh, it's like eating this plant.
I'm sure there's a movie where there's like a centipede. It's like
Yes,
that.
the human centipede.
Yeah, but it's like that thing in Men in Black that eats the train.
Oh, it is. It's like a little alien.
Yeah.
Oh man. Well, I didn't want to show you guys that. I wanted to show you a really pretty starfish.
You have to see that also.
Oh, there we go. Look. Oh yeah. Look at that brittle star.
Oh, did you get it?
Yeah, it's like moving.
Oh, it's like trying to eat that thing. Oh my God.
Sorry that this has become a nature documentary. but-
Brittle star versus Men in Black worm.
Oh my God! It's attacking it.
As the brittle star. Look how long it is. I've never seen this before.
I'm like horrified of that
It's
thing.
like an underwater
I don't want to
centipede.
go in the ocean anymore.
I wonder if it'll hurt you if you touch it.
You should try it. Try it out. Test it out. Let us know.
Watch out. You ready?
Whoa! What was it?
I don't know. Should I lift up this one as well?
Yeah.
Oh, it did. It's too good at hiding. Shouldn't be doing. Don't do this with your board.
Oh my God!
Oh wow, that's amazing.
That's a real starfish.
Super beautiful.
Wow.
Look at the starfish. Whoop, whoop. All right, time to go.
Oh, I know you guys probably aren't as interested as I am, but like, oh, that's so amazing.
Okay, Kim, you're gonna die. Come and look at this thing.
What is it?
I don't know. It's amazing though. And there's a little crab.
That's cool, but this thing is next level.
That thing is next level. You're gonna keep me in the loop here.
Yeah. So there's an issue with the electricity, and David tried to fix it and add more, but it wasn't like taking it, and he has to call the power company. But it's already like 5 o'clock on a Sunday,
It's gonna be a super hot night.
and the refrigerator was out and stuff, so we have to eat ice cream.
That was so good. Can't believe it's gonna get bigger and better. So now we're out and having some dinner. Kim is all dressed nice in her beautiful dress.
This is our first date night ever.
First date night ever.
We've been dating for 2 years.
And we have.
And we
we're
don't
actually-
do things
we're-
like date nights.
We're actually engaged.
Oh yeah,
But this is the first date night we've
we
ever
are
gone
engaged.
on. So we're gonna have some dinner and a few beers maybe,
And play some cards.
and play some cards.
Which
And
we don't do. We've been working so hard, so we're just gonna relax and actually chill.
I'm just gonna wait for the bikes to go so that you don't get an annoying.
Anyway, we're gonna have some dinner and play some cards, and we'll see you in the next vlog.
Terima kasih sudah menonton. Jangan lupa subscribe, like, subscribe.